The Autocraft battery from AutoZone and made by Johnson Controls produced 12.78 volts and 1,083 cranking amps. The Optima produced 12.84 volts and 1,125 cranking amps. Now, AGM batteries are supposed to have lower internal resistance than flooded lead acid batteries, so let's see if this is true.
Car batteries are built to last up to 8 years, yet most drivers replace them in just 3. That's not random, it's a pattern. Some batteries start failing way earlier than they should, and if you pick the wrong one today, your car might be the next one that won't start. Avoid these batteries. First, number 5, low-tier Exide batteries. This is one of the most common recommendations people hear. Just get Exide. But here's the truth. Not all Exide batteries are the same. The cheaper ones are everywhere. Small shops, roadside mechanics, emergency replacements. And that's exactly how people end up with them. Your car doesn't start, you're in a hurry, you just want something that works. So you don't compare, you don't check specs, you just take what's available, and those entry-level batteries are built for quick use, not long-term performance. At first, everything feels normal, but after a few months, you start noticing small changes. The engine takes a bit longer to start. Some days it feels fine, other days it struggles. That inconsistency is the biggest warning sign. It means the battery is losing its ability to hold a stable charge, and modern cars don't like that. They need steady, reliable power, not something that changes every day. That's why these batteries often don't last as long as people expect. Number 4, older DieHard models. This one surprises a lot of people because DieHard used to be one of the most trusted battery names out there. Years ago, if someone said DieHard, it meant strong, reliable, long-lasting. But things changed. The brand went through ownership changes, and not all products stayed at the same level. Now, and especially with older or lower tier models, you see more inconsistency. They still look solid. The branding is strong, but inside, many of them use older flooded battery technology. Here's the issue with that. Flooded batteries are more sensitive to heat and vibration, so if you drive daily, especially on rough roads or in hot climates, they wear out faster. Let's say you use your car every day in traffic, stop and go driving, engine turning on and off. That puts stress on the battery. A weaker design can't handle that for long. Instead of lasting 5 years, it might start losing strength in 2 or 3. To be fair, newer DieHard AGM models are much better, but the mistake people make is trusting the name without checking the version, and that's where things go wrong. Number 3, EverStart Value line. This one tricks a lot of people. You walk into a store, see the EverStart name, and think, okay, this is a known brand. Should be good. And yes, EverStart does make good batteries, but not this one. The Value line is the lowest tier they offer. It's built to meet a price point, not performance. It's mostly designed for older cars that don't use much power, cars without screens, sensors, or advanced systems. But modern cars are different. Even when your engine is off, your car is still using electricity. The clock, the alarm system, onboard computers, they all draw small amounts of power continuously. Now, imagine a weak battery dealing with that every day. It keeps getting drained deeper than it should. And when you start the car, it struggles to recover fully. Over time, this creates a cycle: drain, recharge, but never fully. That slowly damages the battery. You might notice your headlights dim slightly when starting, or the engine takes longer to crank. Those are early warning signs, and if you ignore them, one day the car just won't start. Same brand name, but completely different experience. Number 2, cheap store brands. These are the batteries with random names you've never heard before. They look like a great deal. Low price, quick install, problem solved, but right? Not really. Here's what most people don't know. Many of these batteries are made in bulk by the same factory, then different shops just put their own label on them. So one store calls it something else, another store uses a different name, but inside it's basically the same product. And that product is usually built to be cheap, not strong. They use thinner lead plates. That means less capacity to hold charge. They also have lower reserve power, so if your car sits for even a day or two, the battery already starts struggling. Let's say you leave your car parked over the weekend. Monday morning, you try to start it, and the engine feels weak. That's a sign the battery is already losing strength. In hot weather, the situation gets worse. Heat speeds up battery wear, and cheap batteries can't handle that stress properly. Some people report these batteries dying in under 12 months. Others get lucky and reach 2 years. But that's the problem. It's unpredictable. You're not buying reliability. You're taking a risk. And the next one is even more misleading because it looks like a trusted brand. Number 1, No-name batteries. This is the worst mistake you can make. No proper brand, no history, no real testing standards. They're just a cheap price and big promises. Some of these batteries even print high power numbers on the label, but in real life, they don't match that performance. Why? Because quality control is missing. Big brands test their batteries, they follow standards, they make sure performance is consistent. No-name batteries don't always do that. Some even use recycled or low-grade materials inside. That means faster wear, weaker charging, and shorter life. Imagine installing a battery today, and it fails in a few months. Now you're stuck again, paying again, wasting time again. That's not saving money, that's repeating the same problem. Batteries. That actually last? Now let's flip it, because not all batteries are bad. Some are built to handle real-world driving and actually last years without trouble. Number 7, EverStart Max. This is where the story changes. Earlier we talked about the value line. This is a completely different level. EverStart Max is built with stronger internal components, higher starting power, better reserve capacity. That means your car starts strong even after sitting overnight. It also recovers faster after each start, which is important for daily driving. Many drivers report getting 5 to even 8 years from this battery. That's more than double what cheap batteries offer. Number 6, Bosch batteries. This is one of those brands people don't talk about enough, but once someone uses it, they usually stick with it. Why? Because it's stable. You don't get random weak starts, you don't get sudden failures after a year. It just works, day after day, month after month. That kind of consistency is what most drivers want, and especially if they depend on their car daily. Number 5, AC Delco Gold or Professional. These are designed close to factory level. That means they're built to match what your car originally came with. They deliver stable power, which is important for modern systems. Think about cars with touchscreens, cameras, sensors. All of that needs consistent energy. AC Delco batteries handle that well. They're not flashy, but they're reliable, and reliability is what actually matters. Number 4, Odyssey batteries. These are built for serious durability. They use thicker plates and stronger internal design. That means they can handle more stress without wearing out quickly. They also perform well in extreme conditions. Hot weather, cold starts, heavy use, no problem. Some drivers report getting up to 8 years from these. That's why they're considered premium. Number 3, DieHard Platinum AGM. This is where DieHard redeems itself. Unlike older versions, this one uses AGM technology. That makes it more resistant to vibration and better at handling deep discharges. So even if your car has high power demand, it keeps performing. Many drivers report using it for years without any issues. Same brand name, but now built the right way. Number 2, interstate batteries. These batteries are known for one thing: dependability. They are built to handle heat, vibration, and heavy use. That's why they're common in trucks and SUVs. Drivers often report 5 to 7 years of solid performance, and when you're using your car every day, that kind of reliability makes a big difference. Number 1, Optima Red Top and Yellow Top. This is where you get top-level performance. These batteries use a different internal design compared to standard ones. That makes them highly resistant to vibration, perfect for trucks, off-road vehicles, and cars with heavy electrical loads. Red Top focuses on strong starting power. Yellow Top is built for deeper cycles and extra accessories. And the lifespan, 5 to 10 years for many users. That's the kind of battery you install and forget about. The mistake that destroys any battery. Now here's something most drivers don't realize. Even the best battery can fail early if you make one simple mistake: leaving your car unused for too long. When a battery sits without being charged, it slowly loses power. And if it stays low for too long, it damages itself internally. Another big issue is short driving. If you only drive for a few minutes, the battery never fully recharges. Over time, it keeps losing capacity. Also, things like a weak alternator or dirty terminals can make a good battery seem bad. That's why maintenance matters too. So next time your car battery dies, don't just replace it without thinking. The brand and type you choose can save you years of trouble or give you constant problems. If this helped you out, drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and let me know your experience in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, real-world tips like this.